Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is affect. Now, affect is an A2 level verb, meaning it's a great word for beginners and intermediate learners to master. It means to influence or make a change to something. Let's dive into some examples to make it clearer. Imagine a teacher encouraging a student to study harder. In this case, the teacher's motivation can affect the student's attitude towards studying. Or think about how a rainy day might affect your mood, making you feel a bit gloomy. Here, affect shows us how something can influence or cause a change in someone's feelings, actions, or even decisions. Now, some useful synonyms for affect are influence, change, and alter. For example, you might say, the movie influenced his perspective on kindness, or his presence changed the atmosphere in the room, or even, the new policy will alter how employees manage their time. Each of these words emphasizes the idea of making an impact or a shift in something or someone. On the other hand, words that are the opposite of affect include ignore and neglect. For instance, she decided to ignore the rumors, or he chose to neglect the advice given by his coach. In these cases, there is no impact or change happening, highlighting a lack of influence. Let's bring this word into daily life. Imagine you're deciding what to eat for lunch. Your friend's choice to get a salad might affect your decision if you're also thinking about eating healthy. Or, if you're running late for work, the traffic might affect your arrival time, making you a few minutes late. You'll see that affect is super common when we talk about cause and effect in everyday situations, showing how things are connected. Here are some more examples. The weather can affect how we plan our day. A positive attitude can affect your performance at work, or drinking plenty of water can affect your overall health. Each example highlights how affect introduces a change or influence. All right, let's recap. Affect means to influence or create a change in something. It's similar to words like influence, change, and alter, but the opposite of words like ignore and neglect. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about affect. If you did, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. And here's a fun challenge. Try creating your own sentence using affect and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you use it. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.